everyone. In this short video, I will tell you how can we plot the stock price of a given stock with respect to the given time frame which we are looking for. So let's go ahead and implement it using Python. So I am on my Jupyter notebook, and the very first thing we need to do is we need to import the required packages. So the very first package which we need is pandas, because we are going to store our data in data frames. Then we need an API which will provide us the result, and for that we are going to use Yahoo Finance. So let's import by Finance, and at the end we need a plotting library. So for that we will go for matplotlib. So if you're not having any of these, you can simply run pip install and the library name. So this is how you can get your packages installed. The next thing which we need to do is we need to decide what or which stock you want to monitor. So let's say I'm interested in Microsoft stock. So here we need to provide the symbol of that stock. So I'm taking MSFT, and if you're planning to do this exercise for multiple, then you can provide all here because this is a list. Okay, let's go with one. And then we need to download the stock price for given duration for this particular stock. So for that, what we can do, stock data, and let's use yfinance dot download. And inside this we need to pass the stock name and then the duration what we are looking for. So here we need to provide the start duration. So let's go with 10/01, and end duration would be, let's take 2022 and Feb 14. Okay, so this is the duration for which we are looking for data. I will quickly show you what all data we have in this. So for that, stock data dot head, and will print 5 rows. So these are the various columns you will get when you are getting data out of the Yahoo Finance. And in this video, what we are going to do is we will try to plot the, let's take open. So for all these values, for all the values between this duration, we will come up with a graph and which will tell us what was the price, opening price of the stock on the certain duration. So now let's work on plotting part. So before going for plot, let's extract the column which we are interested in. So stock data, and here we can use LOC. Then from starting we need all the values. So let's go here and say close. So here close is the my column name which I'm interested in, and then I'm going to go ahead and create a copy. So whatever we are doing going forward, we will be doing only on the data variable. So let's say data.plot, and inside that we need to provide all the basic parameters like what all height, width are you interested in. So let's say we will go with 20/7, and font size we can make it as 16. Okay, now next thing is matplot is the one which is the alias of our matplotlib, and here we are saying the style, what style we want. So there are various styles which you can use it. You can go to this library's documentation and explore it. So here you can go for classic, you can go for Seaborn, and many more are available over there. So let's go with the classic one and say matplot.show and see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and you can see that right now we have plotted values for the duration, for the close. So on this date the stock was here. On, if you will look at this particular date around here 14, then it is somewhere around 310 and between 310 and 320. Let me show you another plot which is Seaborn. So you will see some you will see some different visualization, but it's like totally up to you which you want to use as a style. But the idea behind this particular video was to show you how you can plot the values so that you can compare it. Now by looking at this visualization, you can clearly see what was the opening or what was the closing price of the stock on December 1st as compared to January 15. So you may get idea that how it is going on. And similarly, you can also plot open values, you can plot any other values, whatever you want out of these columns. So I hope you enjoy this short video in which we will learn how can we grab the stock price and show it on the graph. Thanks for watching.